Hi everyone, today we are going to see all-in-one trimmer unboxing, which is the product of Reliance, and the product is Reconnect all-in-one trimmer. So it comes with a 1 year of warranty with 7 smart attachments. On the front end we can see around 5, which is nose and ear trimmer, eyebrow trimmer, shaver and body trimmer. These are 4 things, and one more thing is we can see here like the 5th one. So remaining we can see inside, I think so. So let's see the back side what they are going to provide the information for this trimmer. So as they mentioned with clear pics, it can be used in 6 different ways. So and the blades which they are using is stainless steel blades, and they mention 100% waterproof. The charging comes up to 60 minutes, and we need to charge around 2 hours for this, and the MRP including all taxes they mentioned around 2499, but I bought this product with a cost of 1299. So let's quickly unbox this and see what are the remaining things inside this. So we have a manual which used to describe the product details and some more information regarding the attachments, how to use it. So by keeping aside, we'll see the remaining things. We'll get 1 year warranty card of Reconnect, and we have a bag to carry these things easily, we'll see. And we have 2 more attachments. We have one USB type charger, so there is no adapter in this, so we need to connect to this, hopefully for mobiles. Let's see, keeping aside. And we have one cleaning brush for the trimmer, and we have a comb. It was good looking, so keeping aside. So let me take this off. So I am removing this. These are all the things which comes with Reconnect all-in-one trimmer. So let's see one by one, starting with the trimmer. So by seeing it looks good, by handle also feels too good. The design is simple, which comes with red line, and there are some notches which I hope so which uses to fit these frames. So let's see one by one. The design is really good, which is handy. It was not too light, it was moderate. So this is a pressing button, so by pressing we can feel the vibration. It was started. See, we can see that yes. So the design is good. There is a light indicator. We can see here. So we used to take this by pressing like this. If you want to again keep this, we need to just, this clip has to go to inside, just like press it. That's it. It's that simple. And just power on this. As I mentioned, running time is 60 minutes, nearly 1 hour, and the charging time is 2 hours. As I mentioned, the light will glow if you connect to this cable through a cell phone charger, and after completing of this, the light will off, which is a red color indicator as they mentioned. So I'll show you that also. So let's quickly check the remaining attachments they had mentioned and provided for us one by one. Like this is the blade or the attachment which they had mentioned as body trimmer. So let's keep this attachment to the trimmer and test whether how it's going to fit, how smooth it's going to fit. So as I mentioned earlier, so we need to put this notch exactly where they had designed. So it has to go and sit exactly the hole they had mentioned, and just press it. That's it. That simple it is. So it's perfectly fitted. No edges came out. So remaining these things also can be fitted in the same fashion. So let's check with these two attachments which they had provided. So let's see that. So there are numbers in this. I mean, as you all know, we can adjust this number sizes to our haircut length. So see, there is a leveler which can be adjusted up to your requirement. So this is one which is mentioned as 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So highest is 15 and lowest is 3. We'll check with the next one. Yeah, this is the one which has been given with started with 1. I mean, we can have 0.5, 1, 1.5. The dot itself can be 0.5, and we can have a maximum of 10. So it can be adjustable for minor, like we can adjust for my 0.5. So for that cutting of hair, we can use this thing. The slots they had provided here need to go through this. So, and the leveler which they had mentioned inside this has to go through this. So we'll see by placing this. And on a high note, this while fixing this attachment to this trimmer, we need to make a note like this arrow mark has to be at this end, and we need to fit this to that trimmer. Without this, if the leveler is at different level, means there will be a problem. Like if the leveler is around 15 or something else, so it will be not comfortable to fit, and it's not the way to fit it. It is not designed in such a way. So it is designed in such a way like this is the end point, or this is the home point. We need to put this arrow mark right away to the red option which they had given, and we need to put this to the trimmer. So let's see this. See it exactly fitted. So you can see here, like I'll show you. See, give me a sec. Now you can see, like see the adjustments here, like exactly how it's going. See, and this leveler point should be here itself. This is the starting point, and now we can adjust these things. Now we can adjust these things. While adjusting, the trimmer goes inside. See, like we can observe here. See, if I roll back 11, 13, the leveler comes up. See, if I again tight it, it will go down. See, as you see here. So this is the maximum leveler we can do with this. This is 3, 5. So just see, if I am rotating, it will come up. So now we can see exactly. You can see it's coming. So up to this length. So this length from here, from the trimmer is inside that, and you can feel here like this much length. That is 13. The length we had fixed is 13th length. So until that we can trim. That hair length is that. What I mean to see is the length of the hair we can adjust and we can trim it. Similarly, while removing it, we need to adjust this to this point and just pull out. So similar case with this. We will see the remaining attachments, the blades which they had given. This is the shaver. This is the shaver blade or the attachment. So as I mentioned, this is stainless steel only. So we don't have any rust related things, I hope so. So I'll use this trimmer and I'll keep post that video too. See, I can see some glue inside this. Maybe this is a lubricant. So we'll check with the next one. Oh, I can see this is an eyebrow trimmer. Yes, this is an eyebrow trimmer. So I can see the last one. This is a nose and ears trimmer. This is the complete unboxing video of Reliance all-in-one reconnect trimmer. Finally, I'll show you the charging option to this trimmer. For this, I'm using my cell phone adapter, charging adapter. So let's see this. See, as you see, I'm using cell phone adapter, charging adapter. So I had connected this cable, USB cable to this. This is also one of the good thing I have noticed. So everyone has cell phone and with a charger with them. So we can use this. We can take this cable anywhere we want and we can just connect it to that adapter and we can charge it. So as I mentioned earlier, so the indicator will be in red color. Once the charging completes, the light will go off. So that's it from my end. So hopefully you like this video. Thank you everyone.